What's going on, guys? Danny from Slow Restoration. It's Sunday. We are in the garage working today. Probably not going to get a tremendous amount done. We did a few things already on the frame, just kind of getting a game plan to get stuff further along, and some detail stuff, and just kind of going back and situating stuff. Here's my major issue. Here's the weather. I mean, you can see that or not, but right now it's about 15 degrees out. By 3 o'clock this morning, it's going to be 7 degrees with 23-mile-an-hour winds. So, not real fun. It's really hard to try and heat a garage at that temperature, especially this one, because it's not completely finished off yet. So, we'll do the best we can. We do have a giant mess in the floor. What we're trying to accomplish here is I have all the wiring laid out, and keep in mind I have at this point 2 trucks, and I will have 3 trucks to deal with. So 2 of them were the same year, 2 of them were 1998s, and 1 of them was a 2003. So we are going to use the newer gas tank, the newer carbon canister off the 03. So the front to back harness will have to be the 03 to plug into that stuff. I gotta verify that's gonna plug into the 98 fuse box, but I'm pretty sure it will. And the other thing we got going on is I have all the fuel lines laid out. Obviously we're doing an LS swap, but we still should be able to use from the gas tank up to the filter at least, and maybe a little bit more. I believe the way my fuel system is going to run is we're going to do the C5 Corvette filter. It has the built-in fuel regulator, so it's got 2 lines in and 1 out. So it's got the return built right into the fuel filter. So like I said, we should be able to keep that filter in the stock location and use the lines up to the filter. Just make our connections, plug into that, and then we should be able to use 1 line off the filter up to the motor. The Vortex have a single feed on them, most of them do anyway, single feed to the fuel rail. So that should work out good for us. But anyway, we have all this laid out so we can get a game plan and use the best stuff we have available here. All of it's actually in pretty good shape. We'll just have to clean it up and maybe touch it up a little bit. As far as wiring harness, like I said, the front to back harness, which is actually this one and this one, we just need to make sure we put the right one in this frame. It looks like the connectors are the same. They're both the same color, and it looks like the pin layout is very similar. I think. I have to verify that. But anyway, we have that, and it wraps all the way around here. Keep in mind also we're putting power windows out of the black truck over here, so that all the in cab under dash harness is coming out of that truck. So we still have to swap that over. But again, it is a 98, so everything should plug in. We just need that in-dash harness to make power windows possible. So that's about it. This is probably the fuse box we're gonna use at this point. Here's our hot wire. That should still, I think, work for us. And I am kind of holding off. Our current performance wiring harness should be here Tuesday, according to the shipping. So once we get that and get this stuff laid out a little bit more, we should be able to tell exactly what we need from where and what truck. It's a little confusing, but I have faith we can get figured out. So anyway, I shut the heater off to record this, and it's already getting cool out here. So that's probably going to do it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.